IAG stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 4-minute video till the end, find out. Iamgold Corporation, $7.80. We're sitting at 3.4% down. I mean, I'm looking at this from this 30-minute chart and I'm saying like it's just a correction trying to fill in a gap. At least that's how it looks like for me. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, documented them all on this YouTube channel, and I have all the proof to back it up with 39,000 videos. I mean, quite frankly speaking, only if I saw the price breaking above 838 was I going to look, you know, to take it hopefully higher. But yeah, without any proper double break or any of that, then there's just going to be no way that I'm going to look to buy or really force anything. So I will sure thing continue to keep you updated. In the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.